Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture on elements of cost and market analysis. In that, the first module of managerial economics, we were discussing about importance of managerial economics. In previous class, we have discussed about 7 points of importance of managerial economics. Today, we will move ahead with the remaining points of importance of managerial economics. In previous class, we saw how managerial economics is useful in business organization, how managerial economics helps in chalking out business policies, then how managerial economics helps in business planning, helps in cost control, useful in coordination of business activities, useful in demand forecasting, and helpful in profit planning and control. The next point for today's lecture is price determination. Price determination means fixing a price at which we are going to sell our product. So while fixing this price, we see the various elements like cost of production, in that fixed cost, variable cost, our profit margin, distributors margin, retailers margin, etc. So all these things we consider, and then depending upon the market situation, if the market is monopoly market, then how we will decide the price. If it is oligopoly or if it is duopoly, whatever kind of market it is, based upon that market situation, the price will be fixed. So here managerial economics helps us in fixing the price. So here managerial economics helps in price determination. Price determination means fixing the prices of a product. So it is very important aspect of fixing price of the products in the market, because the market or the price what we fix will decide how much sale we will be achieving or how there will be response for that price and all. So these things are being helped by managerial economics in deciding the prices. After that, managerial economics is useful in understanding the mechanism of economic system. When we are running business in any country, we need to understand the economic system of that particular country. What kind of economy it is, whether it is public economy, private economy, or mixed economy. All these things we need to understand. India is a mixed economy wherein public and private both the players are there. China, we can call it as a private economy. Or India is a mixed economy here. And when we are studying the mixed economy, at that point of time, we should understand how the economy of the country runs, how the mechanism of that particular economy is going on. So all these aspects we need to study, because these aspects are going to affect our business activities. So therefore, understanding the mechanism of the economic system of the country in which we are surviving or in which we are running our business. So therefore, understanding the economic system or mechanism of the economic system of that country is very much important. After that, we have the other point is managerial economics is helpful in analysis of effects of government policies. Any government policy framed by the state government or central government, it will make an impact on the business activities, because these policies may change the business scenario directly or indirectly. A simple example, before GST was introduced, there was a various cascading tax effect. But once the this cascading tax effect was removed and GST was introduced, the whole pricing system was changed. The prices of various products changed because some goods were under one slab and another were some other slab. So here, based upon that, the taxes were charged by the government, or you can say the budget of the country. Once the budget is announced, and from 1st April the prices of various products will change. So we as a businessman, we need to understand how these things are going to impact on our business, how governmental policies are making an impact on our business. So this everything is very much essential, and managerial economics helps us in analyzing, studying, understanding, and planning our business accordingly whenever there is a change in government policies. So therefore managerial economics helps in analysis of effects of government policies on our business. After that, managerial economics is useful in showing the path of economic well-being. Economic well-being means the firm which is earning sufficient amount of profit, along with that it is managing those profits and running the business in a successful way. So the managerial economics will help us in making our business economically well, because it helps in price determination, it helps in cost control. Managerial economics helps in profit management. So all these aspects put together helps us in making our business economic well-being, because without controlling all these aspects, our business, our economic activities cannot be good. So therefore, to make our economic activities well, there should be cost planning, there should be resource planning, there should be price determination or planning, demand forecasting, and profit management. So all put together will help us in running our business successfully and making our business or our economic well-being. After that, the next point is managerial economics is helpful for business prediction. Business prediction means what? We as a businessman, we need to analyze or forecast what would be happening in upcoming days. If there is a change in governmental policies, how it will impact the business. If there is a change in environmental conditions, how it will impact the business. So all put together, the businessman should predict or should forecast his business activities with a proper planned manner, so that he never face failure. So for that purpose, a perfect business prediction is very much essential. Here managerial economics helps us in business prediction by making us or allowing us to calculate the demand forecasting or the various other calculations like profit planning, cost calculation, etc. etc. All these statistical and economical tools helps us in predicting our future course of action or future changes in the market. So here managerial economics helps us for business predictions in upcoming days. After that, managerial economics is helpful in solutions of business taxation problems. Every year, once the budget is announced or while the budget is announced, everybody will be looking at the tax slabs. What changes government is going to make in direct taxes, what changes government is going to make in indirect taxes. So put together, everything is being calculated and it will impact the business. So to find out solutions for this business activities, or to find out a solution for business taxation problems, managerial economics is very much essential, because managerial economics will help us to solve every business taxation problem by giving the various alternatives, or by making a perfect planning we can solve all such problems related to business taxation. So we can say that business economics or managerial economics helps in solving the business taxation problems. These are the important points of importance about managerial economics. There may be a question for 5 marks or 10 marks. If there is a question for 5 marks saying explain the importance of managerial economics, at that point of time you should write 5 points. And in case if the question is there for 10 marks, you're supposed to write 10 points with explanation. So here we have these points, we can write these points and explain. The points like useful in business organization, helpful in chalking out business policies, help in business planning, managerial economics is helpful in cost controlling, useful in coordination of business activities, managerial economics is useful in demand forecasting, it helps in profit planning and control, managerial economics helps in price determination, useful in understanding the mechanism of economy of the country. After that, helpful in analysis of effects of government policies, useful in showing the path of economic well-being, helpful in business prediction, and last but not least, helpful in solutions of business taxation problems. So with this we shall stop here. If you all have any kind of doubts, questions, you all can feel free to contact me. Good day. Thank you.